Welcome to the pride of Elvis Presley Airways, the Lisa Marie. Elvis purchased the plane on April 18, 1975 for $250,000 and named it after his daughter. He had the registration number changed to N880EP and spent over $800,000 having the plane customized to his specifications.
Did you know there's this kind of bird that doesn't have any legs, so it can't land on nothing? It lives its whole life on the wind. When it gets tired, it just spreads its wings and sleeps on the wind. It if ever lands but just one time, that's when it dies.
Over 200 flights were made on the Lisa Marie as Elvis used the plane to take care of business and pleasure from November 1975 through August 1977. Operating cost for the Lisa Marie for 1976 was $404,000. Elvis called the plane the pride of Elvis Presley Airways and also jokingly referred to it as his flying Graceland. The Convair 880 plane was manufactured in 1958 and was first used by Delta Airlines as a commercial airliner with a seating capacity of 96 passengers.
Can you tell the captain that we're going to need a refill? Look, I'm almost out of Dr. Pepper. I need some more Gatorade, and I need some more Spring Valley mountain water, man. The Mountain Valley water. So, come on, man, help me out.
I thought you drink Pepsi.
We're flying to Denver in the morning. Yeah, I need Pepsi too. We're flying to Denver in the morning. We got to get that done. Tell the captain.
Following Elvis's death, the plane was sold by the estate to International Airmotive Incorporated. The last flight of the plane was from Fort Lauderdale, Florida to Memphis on February 6, 1984, to be put on display at Graceland. The Lisa Marie's features include a stove, refrigerator, built-in coffee maker, restrooms with brass fixtures imported from Spain, and 24-karat gold sinks. Elvis's bedroom has a queen-size bed. Other features on the plane include a conference table with 6 leather recliner chairs, sofas, game tables, sitting areas, sky phones, intercom phones, 3 televisions, videotape player, quadraphonic stereo system, and gold-plated seatbelt buckles. Elvis's blanket was sliding off the bed, but I think we have it fixed. Well, everybody, that's going to do it for our tour of the Lisa Marie, the pride of Elvis Presley Airways. Thank you very much for taking this journey with us. Please like, share, and subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments. Until we meet again, thanks a lot, and bye-bye.
Heck of a tour, man. Heck of a tour. Man, good to be back in Memphis. Can't believe it. Can't believe it.